guys, welcome to another video. बहुत out of the many companies, this is one of the few companies which actually come up with this thing very often and brings a very big excitement to the market. And the name is actually Tata Consultancy Services. So Tata's TCS is has announced a share buyback for 1st of December till the 7th of December at a price of 4,150 per share. And before I get into the details, let me tell you, ये वीडियो actually buyback के details के बारे में नहीं है ज़्यादा, पर actually इससे effect क्या होता है इंडियन मार्केट्स में, क्या ये हिस्टोरिकली अच्छा रहा है इंडियन मार्केट्स के लिए, what has been the reason for companies to actually come out with this buybacks, ये वीडियो उस चीज के लिए, क्योंकि information of buybacks तो आपको नेट पे भी मिल जाएगी, but this is something which is more important, which will help you to take a futuristic decision about the company and about the Indian market as a whole. तो मैं आपको पहले I'll start with the financial performance of TCS. Its revenues increased by 16.6% and PAT, that is profit after tax rate, increased by 2.41% between financial year 23 and 22, 31st March. So generally जो buyback के effects होते हैं share prices पे and particularly TCS पे रहा है, is buyback actually होता क्या है? It's basically reduction in the public shares जो buy back, मतलब नाम ही suggest करता है कि the company खुद के shares वो खुद खरीद रही है. So जो shares public के पास है वो कम हो जाता है and company के पास ज़्यादा हो जाता है. So the earning per share, because the shares available in the market reduces, the earning per share increases due to the reduced supply, and ये काफी positive रहता है market के लिए over a long term, and it affects in stability, in liquidity and volatility as well. Buyback actually जो मैंने आपको पहले बता दिया, ये इंडिकेशन है कंपनी का कि इट्स नॉट प्लानिंग टू मेक वेस्टफुल एक्सपेंडिचर्स, क्योंकि वो खुद के शेयर्स ले रहे हैं तो उनको खुद के कंपनीज पर ट्रस्ट है और वो कॉन्फिडेंट है अपने बारे में. सो एडवाइस एक्विजिशन या फिर poor use of capital नहीं करेंगे most probably, and that's like a reassurance to the investors कि हाँ मैं जा सकता हूँ, I can go ahead. And if the market undervalues a company's cash, a buyback can actually वो दिखा देता है कि भाई मैं ये शेयर का इतना चार्ज कर रहा हूँ तुमसे, so that is the amount of premium I'm ready to pay, the company is ready to pay to the shareholders of that share. So basically it's like telling ki the value of that particular share is that amount which the company is ready to pay. So it actually helps to bring a better picture about the shares to the investors and the public. ये तो हो गई in general कि buyback से actually effect क्या होता है and what are the benefits for the investor and the company when a buyback takes place. But actually what is the purpose of TCS to actually come out with the buyback? So TCS aims to return excess cash to the shareholders, thereby increasing the shareholder value in the longer term and improving the return on equity for them. So it's like वो retain करना चाहते हैं अच्छे shareholders को and kind of creates a trust with them. So in the long run it can prove to be a very positive thing for the company and in building an image about that particular share. ये रहा 5 minute में analysis of what the buyback is all about, and who is going to do it and when it is. So और details में आपको अगर चाहिए होगा buyback के लिए मुझे comments में बताओ.